Hi guys, in this video I'm super excited to share with you an AI tool that actually has a free plan. It lets you create images, edit photos, write video scripts, turn images into videos, and even design posters, all with just a few super simple steps. And here's the best part, you don't need any complicated prompts. This AI just gets it and does the work for you. You can use it to make animated films, product ads, or even just change a character's hair color. Everything's in this one tool, and yes, it's completely free to use and download without any watermarks, at least as of the time I'm making this video. So don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. This AI just launched in July 2025, and today I'll show you the 3 features I love the most: video creation, photo editing, and poster design. Video creation. You guys, you're going to be surprised how much you can do with a super simple prompt. So here's what I typed. Create a 3D Pixar-style animated video, 1 minute long. Topic: Ayla, a 7-year-old girl in a colorful tribal dress, talks to a magical tree that asks her to save the forest. Ending: Ayla brings people to plant new trees, and the forest becomes green and happy again. Now, I hit enter, and RoboNeo starts thinking, analyzing. While we wait, I'll just whip up some cocoa. Keeps me healthy and young, right? Okay, looks like it's done analyzing. And now it asks me if I want to tweak anything. Let's take a quick look. Wow, the AI did a really good job. Each scene even comes with prompts for both images and video. I'll just make a tiny adjustment to match my idea. Next, I tell it to continue generating the video. The reference character images get created first. You guys, you will love this. RoboNeo keeps the characters super consistent. I don't have to do a thing. Just sit back and watch as it generates images for every scene. While that's running, let's grab a slice of apple pie, shall we? Alright, 5 minutes later, it asks if I want to adjust anything before generating the full video. Let's check. The characters are really consistent. Hair, body shapes, outfits. Now, let's generate the full video. Scene 1 is ready. Crisp, clear, smooth motion. Looks great. Once all the scenes are done, RoboNeo automatically stitches the clips together and even adds background music. One thing I wish it had: lip sync. And there's no voice audio yet. But don't worry, you can download the video, bring it into CapCut, add music, sound effects, smooth transitions, and it's basically ready to go. Honestly, this AI already handles almost all the important steps.
Child, the forest is in danger. The darkness is spreading. You must save us.
I will save you, Forest. We must plant new trees. The forest is our home.
How can a little girl know this?
The tree told me, and I believe it. Grow, little tree.
Thank you, child.
We did it.
Photo editing. Let's say I have this photo and I want to change the background. I upload it, type my request, and voila, background changed. Say I want long red hair. Let's see. Look at that. Even with a detailed photo, it handles it beautifully. Poster design. Upload an image, type your prompt, and create a promotional poster. For example, a 40% off sale. It keeps the original image quality and adds vibrant sale elements. And here's the poster it generated. Looks pretty good, right? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can catch my next videos.